What's up, Social Cam? It's the sermon after the sermon. Absolutely amazing time at LCWC today, man. Great word. Minister Michael Ford brought the house down. He's funny. He's live. All that stuff. Good stuff, man. And to call the parents up, man, and actually have them encourage their kids was absolutely life changing. Giving away school supplies, man, it's just all about having a healthy church to me. LCWC, I love it. Love you. If you missed church today, make sure you raise your kids up right, though. The Bible said, train up a child in the way that he should go, and when he gets old, he won't stray. Train doesn't just mean talk to them. Train means to show them, to act it out. Whatever you act out for your child in life is what they're going to do. Remember, whatever you act out is what they're going to do. If you're cussing, lying, drinking, smoking, guess what? It's what they're gonna do. If you're keeping them in church, I have a past. I've done things. We all do. But the Bible said when they grow old, they want to stray. I didn't stray. I came back because my mama and my daddy kept me in church. I wouldn't be here today without them. And I thank God for them. Praying for your kids as they go back to school. God's protection on them and all that. Absolutely great day. Hope y'all had a good day at church as well. Come be my guest one Sunday. Check me out. I think I might. Y'all have a good day. God bless you. Train up a child. Show them how to act. All right. Have a good one.